Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to download the FlixVision version to your Firestick, which will work in 2025. The whole process is gonna be pretty easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And firstly, you will have to get the app called Downloader to your Firestick. You can get Downloader free of charge from your official Amazon App Store. Just go to search on a Firestick, open the search bar, and start typing Downloader in here. And then, as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So you click on it, and here is the app, which you will have to get to your device. But after you got Downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up Downloader, we'll have to go to the settings. So let's do it right now. Click on that button with a gear icon, then scroll down and click on My Fire TV. Open it. And now in here, what you have to do is turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote, and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and in here, all you have to do is locate Downloader and turn the option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So now, the next step is we go back to a list of apps on the Fire Stick, open it, and then you will have to go and see the Downloader here. So there it is. But now, before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to Bulgaria right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic is gonna be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video or in the description of this video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we just go back to a list of apps on the Fire Stick, open it, and now it's time to use the Downloader properly. So open up the Downloader app, here you go, and there, in the search bar, you will have to enter a code now. So the code will be 2619957. So once again, 2619957. That is the code that you have to enter in order to download the FlixVision app to your Firestick. Then click on Go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about Firesticks. And the download of the app has started now. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. And after the download is finished, you have to click on install and just wait for the app installation to finish. Then don't click open, instead press done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, which you don't need anymore on a Firestick device. So just click on delete, and then you have to click on delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on your Firestick. And it's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now if you go back to a list of apps on your device, that's what we're gonna do right now. Let's do it. Then here at the bottom you will find the FlixVision application. So now first of all I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, right next to the home button on your remote. Click on it and press on move to front. This way the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use the link below this video to get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And then you can finally open the FlixVision. And in here, finally, you get access to loads of amazing movies and TV shows. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube does not allow me to show you the exact movies or TV shows that you could access in here. But in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurred. So enjoy it all, and definitely see you next time. Bye bye.